Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica. So today I'm gonna make some breakfast, guys. I'm gonna make some fritters, some fried fritters with eggs for breakfast, guys. So come along with me. So the first thing, I'm gonna put some flour in my bowl. I'm not making a lot. So this is 3 scoops of flour. So I'm gonna put 3 scoops because I'm not making a lot. So guys, I'm gonna put some Maggi. This is Maggi all-purpose seasoning in here. Usually people make, especially in Jamaica, they make flitters with codfish, but I'm not using any codfish. I'm just using the seasoning. So I put a little bit of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put some Mrs. Dash and salted Mrs. Dash. This now will taste like, give it a taste like codfish. I'm gonna put a little bit of cayenne pepper. A little bit of cayenne pepper. Yes guys, and then I'm gonna mix this up. I'm not gonna use any salt, guys, because the Maggi have salt in it. So that's enough salt right here. Yes guys, so now I'm gonna mix everything together. I'm gonna pour some water. Yes, we're gonna make this kind of liquid. Said I was gonna put more salt. I had to put a little bit of salt, guys, because it did not taste like it tastes fresh. So I'm gonna put some salt. I put the salt now. I put some pink salt. So this is the consistency you want, guys. Sorry for the noise. We're gonna just stir until we combine everything together. Everything is combined. The salt and the salt. Now I'm gonna fry this. It's a good consistency, guys. If it's lighter than this, I guess you have to put more flour because then it's gonna take up too much of the oil. Yes guys, so this is my eggs. I have 4 eggs. So sometimes you break your egg, you see these little white thing in there. I take that out. I took that out. So I'm gonna just blend this up later to make some scrambled egg. And this is the seasoning I'm gonna use for the scrambled egg, which is some garlic, some onion, sweet potato, sweet pepper, and some tomato. So this, I'm gonna fry this up and then add the egg to it, guys. Yes guys, so now I'm gonna turn on my stove and I'm gonna add the oil so it could get hot. Not a lot of oil, guys. So when this hot, I'm gonna start to put in the dough to fry. So guys, I'm gonna put a twist to this thing. I'm gonna put some sugar. Yeah, I'm gonna put some sugar in my fritters. I'll add some sugar, guys. This is the first time I'm doing this. usually we put banana. If you have ripe banana, you could put that in here. So since as I don't have ripe banana, I think I'm gonna just put some sugar. Yes, guys, so I'm putting sugar in my fritters. Please don't put baking powder, guys, because if you put baking powder in this, it could suck up all the oil. So I'm just adding the sugar and then stir everything together. And then I'm gonna fry this. There you go, guys. So all-purpose seasoning salt is in here. I also have Mrs. Dash and salted Mrs. Dash. And some sugar, guys, and salt. I put a little bit of salt. So let's see how this recipe gonna come out, guys. Should come out okay. Yes, guys, so the oil is a little, I think, should hot. So I'm gonna test the oil. Usually you test the oil to see if it's hot before you put the rest. I think it want to hot a little bit more, guys. Yeah, the pot need to hot a little bit more. So let's get the pot hot before I put more in. Yes, guys, so the first tester is almost fried. So I guess the oil is hot enough now. So I'm gonna put my fritters, my dough in. Yes, guys, so now the dough is frying. I pour off some of the oil, guys. I think I had too much oil in there. So now they are frying. Yes, guys, so I test the little tester and it tastes so good, guys. So now I'm gonna turn these because you don't want them to burn. This one stick together because I changed, you see. Since I pour out the oil. Ouch! Yes, guys. Popping. There you go, guys. So this is fried fritters, guys. No codfish. For those people who know that codfish go in fritters, no codfish in my fritters today, guys. Yes, my people. So the fritters is finished fried. They don't take longer to fry, guys. It's not like when you're making fried dumpling, but you still have to fry them for them to soak. So now I'm taking out these. I put them on paper towel to drain off the oil. So make sure you put your fritters on some paper towel and drain off the oil, guys. So there you go. Yes, guys, so now I'm gonna put some more dough in. So guys, I am a Jamaican, so I cook things that Jamaicans cook. So Jamaicans make fritters. Most of us put codfish. Some of us don't put codfish because it's not everybody use fish. And sometimes you don't have the money to buy the codfish. So guess what? You have to turn your hand and make fashion. So there you go. The next batch is frying. So guys, this is a channel about I cook things that Jamaicans cook, and this is one of them. We make fritters. So make it with codfish and some make it without codfish. Alright, guys. Yes, guys, so now let's turn these. They stick together. Woo, guys. Yes, guys, you have to be careful. Yes, guys, you have to be careful so you don't get burned, guys. So yes, guys, this is fried. That's fried. So guys, I'm gonna take these out to drain. Make sure the oil drip off the oil, and then, as I said, you put them on the paper towel. Put them on paper towel to drip the rest of the oil. So now I'm gonna put some more. Yes, guys, so the pot only can hold 3 at a time. So now I'm gonna separate them so they don't stick together when they are frying, guys. Yes, guys, so let's change. Guys. Remember, so this is liquid, guys, so it's gonna prop. Well, we say prop, but it's gonna sorry guys, my allergy is bothering me. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna put some more. God, guys, sorry today, my allergies is kicking me. Yes, guys. So yes, guys, so the flitters stick into each other, so I'm gonna separate them. So you have to separate them, guys, before they start to fry. Especially the fact that the pan is not very big. So you separate them. Yes, guys. Okay, guys, so let's take out this one. As I said, drip the oil off. Let all the oil drip. So here, when I just take the fritters out the pot, I put them on this paper towel to drip the oil. So I drip the oil over here. And when all of the oil drip on this paper towel, I move to a different plate with a different paper towel, guys. Just to get rid of the excess oil. Yes, guys. So this is my last batch, guys. I think I have like 2 left. So this is my last batch. And after this, I'm gonna make my eggs. Yes guys, so once it starts to pop up like this, you have to step away from the stove a little bit so you don't get splashed with the hot oil. So that's my last batch. Yes guys, so like these are, you know, the oil is dripped off, so I'm gonna move them over this side and the other plate with the paper towel, because these already drip. So now I'm gonna put these over here. So that's flitters guys. Yes guys, so now I'm gonna take these out. So I can fry up my stuff. So guys, what I'm gonna do, this is hot, I'm gonna pour off the oil guys, because the dumpling have enough oil in there. I'll pour off the oil, and then I'm gonna pour my seasoning in. So guys, this is tomato, onion, garlic, and sweet pepper. So I'm gonna let this saute a little bit, and I put some Maggi all-purpose seasoning in here with some Mrs. Dash salt-free Mrs. Dash. So because the dumpling is already greasy guys, that's why I pour off the oil, because you don't need all that extra oil. So I'm gonna turn this down and let it cook down, and then I'm gonna add my eggs to it. So guys, for the eggs, I put a little bit of low-fat milk. I'm not gonna add anything in this because the stuff that I'm sauteing on this stove already have salt. So we don't need that extra salt in this, because that, you know, the seasoning, the natural seasoning already have salt in it. So we don't need that extra salt in the eggs. So guys, this is almost finished. So now I'm gonna add the eggs in here. So I'm gonna pour the eggs. And then I'm gonna stir everything together. So you're gonna stir and incorporate everything together. So I'm gonna switch from the fork to a non-stick, to a wood spoon, because I don't like to use stainless steel in my pot. So I'm gonna let the eggs catch a bit, and then I'll stir again. So I'll be back guys. That's nice. So now I'm gonna stir the egg. I'm not a pro with scrambled egg guys. I'm not a pro with eggs whatsoever. So I just boil my eggs most of the time. Some people like to put cheese in their eggs, but because I'm trying to do low sodium, I'm not gonna put no cheese. So I'm not using no cheese guys, but if you want to put cheese in your scrambled egg, you can. So now that the eggs, I'm gonna let all the water from the milk dry out, and all the water from the vegetables dry out, before I turn off the stove, guys. You could add some ketchup in this if you want. So whatever you want to add in this to make it your own, guys, you can do the same. So that's my scrambled egg, guys, with onion, tomato, and sweet pepper and some garlic. Yes, guys, so there you go. The scrambled egg. I didn't use no butter, guys. You can use butter if you want, but I didn't use butter. As you see, I pour off the oil, most of the oil. So that's it, guys. So guys, thank you so much. If you're still watching the video, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and help me to grow, guys. Thank you so much for your support. So now, guys, I'm gonna put some food in our plate and let you see. So there goes the flitters. Nice, guys. Close up, guys, so you could see what it look like close up. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna put some eggs in my bowl plate. I'm not gonna eat right now, guys, because I'm gonna wash up my dishes first, because I like my kitchen to leave clean when I cook. And because I was frying the dumpling, the flitters I couldn't wash while I'm cooking, so I'm putting my flitters. So I'm just gonna set this in the plate so you guys could see what it looks like before I eat. So I'm gonna wash my dishes, people, and when I'm done washing my dishes, then I'll have my breakfast. You could have this breakfast with some tea, peppermint tea, some hot chocolate, whatever you so choose, guys. So you could have with this. You could have juice, orange juice, but for me, I don't like tea, so I'm just gonna have some water when I'm finished. So guys, thank you so much, guys, for supporting my channel. Please help me grow by subscribing and liking and commenting. And guys, see you next time. Take care of yourself.